You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two different words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this in English that is a bit confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you need to watch next. The top word is pronounced womb. Womb. Yes, the O is pronounced like a double O in this case, and the B is actually silent. The womb of a woman, where babies are conceived. The womb. Now, the bottom word is tomb, so it's exactly the same principle. O sound and the B is silent. So the womb, a tomb. A tomb is where you bury people. Tomb. Womb, tomb. How to pronounce in English? Womb, tomb. English pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.